Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different substitutions in the benzenes are given. P1 is oxide anion, Q is OH, R is methoxy, S is acetate. Here you have to find order of electrophilic substitution. The fact here is electron-rich ring goes electrophilic substitution faster. So let us analyze each possibility. P1 has negative charge, it donates the electron better, so it comes first. Then if you look at the OH, it can donate the lone pair, make the ring electron rich. If you look at the R, it is very interesting because everybody thinks CH3 is the electron donating group, promote the electron donation better. But CH3 group, it won't allow the lone pair to participate the resonance. Then yes, it is sp2 hybridized carbon, it will make the ring electron deficient, so it will come least. So the order will be PQRS. Here the concept you have to learn here is OH is better activator than OCH3 in the benzene ring. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.